So this is where the nuts get roasted. We have an elevator that comes up, puts it in the hopper. Nuts go down a belt and get dumped into 3 different roasters. Each one could hold 200-pound capacity, up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And they go down there. I'm up top. We're gonna on the platform. So after you come down from the platform, you got your control panel here. That's the hopper. You got your 3 roasters. Another control panel. We have 2 of them. This is the older control panel that still works. That's the newer one that we just bought. After the nuts get roasted and released, they go up, 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 and they get dumped into ready to be released. This is the aguar, where the syrup gets pumped through over there. Nuts get pumped in, all your materials, and it gets mixed up in the aguar. This is the syrup kettles, where everything gets pumped in. All the pipes, it gets pumped up there to the aguar, ready to be released through the control panel that's over here. It's controlled here. Nuts in the syrup, sugar, everything that's going to be mixed into a bar or a nut cluster or whatever type of bar you're going to make gets mixed up, gets extruded through here, gets rolled flat through here, goes down. The conveyor cools off with the fans, goes through the knife system. We have 2 different sizes for knives, and then it gets chopped to whatever size you need, and then goes down our cooling tunnel until it's finished. Goes all the way to the end. The knife is controlled by this panel here for any shapes and sizes. Just to show the 3 panels we have to control everything. So this is the panel this is the newer panel for the roasters. That's the older panel. They both could do the same thing. The newer one is just, we bought it recently, but they both work and they both can control the roasters, the heat, and how high it's supposed to reach, when it opens, when it closes, and when it's ready to be pushed out to the bucket elevator. We have a second control panel that controls the temperature in the kettles, when to release the syrup to the agar, and when to release up there, the nuts are in a holding hopper, when to release that and let it go, and it all mixes to the agar. We have another panel here which controls the knife down there. You put the settings of what the speed and the how fast you want the knife cutting. And this gives you the settings for the knife, different type of bars, sizes. Starting from the opposite way, this is the cooling tunnel. It's clean, that's why it's open, but this is the cooling tunnel. There's the knife system. Here's the fans. There's the conveyor belt. That's the agar, the mixer on top. It's on top, that's where the nuts come. That's the bucket elevator. That's bringing the nuts up there. There's the roasters, the 3 roasters, the platform I was on. Control panel, hopper for the roasters, the 3 roasters, the platform, the control panel, and then this is the to go up here for the mixer. That's where the nuts get ready to be released. That's where the syrup gets sent out to. This is how it's a mixer, that's where they mix it. You could see that goes all along here to mix the nuts and the syrup. That's all the piping. There's the 2 kettles right over there. There's the control panels for the kettle and the knife system. And that's your complete nut bar line. And for all this,